friends, my name is Arjun. So today I am going to teach you how to solve the third layer of the Rubik's Cube. Like how in the last part I taught you how to do the second layer. So before watching this video, watch my Rubik's Cube part 1, part 2, part 3 and part 4. So this is the part 5, the last part. In this we are going to solve the whole Rubik's Cube. So these are the formula. So these all I know you have written it in my last video. So today you have to. So these three are the new formula what are for solving it. So let's start. So as like in the last video we completed till the second layer, no? And white also in the part 2. So today I am going to do the third layer. So let's start. So for making the third layer, first of all, can you see the yellow? Now focus at the yellow. If you see only one yellow and these and like it is like this type of shape, then you can turn like this. It should look like a L shape. It should look like this. Like I did it. Now it looks like a L shape, no? L shape. You have to do like that. But if nothing comes, like these both do not come, and only one yellow comes, then you can take any side. But if there's one yellow here and this yellow is here, means you have to hold it like this. It should be horizontal, not vertical. If one yellow is here, one yellow is here and one more yellow is here, then you have to hold it horizontal. So, but right now it is L. So means you have to, but it was like this, no? But you have to just face it like L. Like it was first like this and like this. So now you can do like this also. No, not like this. It should look like L. Like this is the wrong. This is also the wrong. This is also wrong. But this is correct. That because it is coming L. L should come L. Here, L. It should face like this, not like this, and not either like this, not like this also, and not either like this, not either like this. No, you can't do like that. So right now it is L. So you have to now you have to make this L1 plus. Okay. So for making it plus, you have to do this formula. See, YP I have written that because yellow plus means this is for making the yellow plus. Y means yellow, P means plus. Yellow plus. This is for making yellow plus. So this is the formula for making the yellow plus. F R U R comma U comma front comma. So I am giving you time for writing it. You can pause the video. I'm giving time. So okay, so let's start. I know you have written it by pausing the video. Now you have to do this formula. F R U R comma U comma front comma. Don't write these both right now. First write this, not this. I know you have written this already. Now let's write it. Let's do it. You have to do by L when it's facing to L. See, it is showing front means F. F R U R comma U comma then front comma. It didn't happen, no? Then you have to do like this. But see, first it was like this, no? Not a like line, fully line. So don't hold it like this. It will become horizontal, means straight line. You should hold it like line. It should be horizontal. You can hold like this also either. Or if you don't like this color, then you can change it by doing like this. I like blue, that's why. So now again let's do the formula. It was like this. You have to face it like this and again do the formula of FRU for making the yellow plus F R U R comma U comma then front comma. See, the plus is ready. You saw it happen. Now you have to do this. Means you can see this color at the top middle. See, check any color at the top middle and bring it to its color. Like this is blue at the top middle. Put it here. Means put it at its place. See, now it is at its place. It is at blue column. Now by check with blue column what has came. By blue column orange has not came. See, in orange red is coming, so it's not correct. So with blue is with green also, then blue is with green, but if any color comes here or here, then only it will be correct, or otherwise it will not be correct. Sometimes it happens like here. So now there is one formula of that also. This formula we use at the white place. What is this? You can, and if same happens whenever you are doing the first layer, same happens like if you check any color with it and it comes green, then you have to do the same formula but 2 times. So let's do it. First let's go to any color what is not got match except these both, that because these both have came to their colors. You can choose orange or red. I'll take red. Okay, so you have to do the formula of this. R, then U R comma U R U2 R comma U. So again let's do the formula, but just don't do it right now. Now again put the colors in their column. I put blue. See, with blue orange has came like this. It has came means it is correct. Or like this it will come, then it is correct. But if like this it comes, then it's not correct. Like this it comes, not correct. But it is right now correct, that because it's here. Now you have to, when you do like this, you have to face in this color. Then you have to do again 2 times what I taught you in the part 2. 1, 2. Okay, now you have to do again this formula. R, like R U R comma U R U2 R comma U. See, now all the colors came in their column. So now you have to do like, you have to check like which cube is in the correct place. Like here you need green, orange, yellow. Now check the cube where it is. You can now, there's no cube now, no? means this cube is in this place. The cube is here only, like orange will be here, green will be here, yellow will be here. So this cube will be in the same place, means it is correct. Okay, if it is in the same place, then it's okay. But it is not in the place. A blue will come, but here red is there, and here it is orange, and yellow is also there, but red is not here. So this is not the correct one. Green is not here. This is also not, and blue is also not there. So this is also not correct. This is also not correct. Here blue is there, but there is no blue column. Orange is also coming, but there is no column. So only this is the correct, that because here orange and green column and yellow column is also there. That because yellow will go here, orange will come here, and green will come here. Means this is the correct cube. Now you have to do this formula. TCO means top corner. That because if I write TC again, then it will become top center. Top center. It means for white. So this is for top corner. Then now you have to do now let's do this formula. In this place where it is correct block, you have to do this formula. Okay, let's do it. U R U comma L comma then do like U R comma U comma then L. Now check, is it correct? This is already correct. This is also correct. Now this is also correct. Blue will come here, red will come here, yellow will come here, and this is also correct. Now these both are not correct. Now but orange is already, this block was correct now, but orange and blue has already came in their places, and yellow also. Only these both are left. So now you have to make them also like these both. Now this is the ending formula. Ending formula. It's very simple. R comma D comma R D. Now do it where it is not unsolved. First I'll start from here. This is not unsolved. So do like R comma D comma means down comma, then R D clockwise. But it got damaged. Don't think that it will not be damaged. It will not be damaged. Now again do this. R comma D comma R D. And if you do it 2 times, then it can get correct. But if it didn't get correct, then again do 2 times same. R comma D comma R D. Now do it again last time. R comma D comma R D. See, it came in place. Now it is only this place left. Okay, now do this. R comma D comma R D. R comma D comma R then D. Now it's very simple. Just do here. See, your Rubik's Cube has got solved. See, it has all sides have got correct. All the sides are correct. blue, white, green, red, yellow, orange. So your Rubik's Cube has got solved. So friends, if you like this video, then please like it, subscribe it. Don't forget to share this video to your friends. So till that time, thank you.